Hi, it's Dennis from MobiScribe's engineering team, and today we will be looking at the new design for the MobiScribe package. As we are trying to be more green, we are actually using recycled material for our packaging now. When you first open up the MobiScribe package, you'll see our thank you card, which is also made from recycled material. The MobiScribe, as well as the stylus. These have all been branded with the MobiScribe name. We have a new and improved quick start guide. We made it a little bigger so it has a better readability, as well as some tips and tricks on how to get started on using the MobiScribe. Underneath the flap, which you can pull up from the middle, you will find the replacement tips and tweezers. This is actually a prototype that we are trying out. And inside, again, you'll see the replacement tips as well as the tweezer that will pull out the used tip from the stylus. Under the other flap, you will see the USB cable, which you can use to connect the MobiScribe to the computer to transfer files or charge the MobiScribe as well. Underneath the carton that holds the MobiScribe, you will find the cover. It is plastic right now, and as I said, we are trying to be more green and environmental friendly, so we are looking at alternates to package the covers in still. And that is it. Thank you for tuning in. This is MobiScribe right here, right now.